This is the iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus, and according to iRobot, it's the most intelligent robot vacuum and mop they've ever made. It can vacuum, mop, avoid obstacles, and supposedly learn your home better over time. Sounds amazing, right? But after testing it in real-world conditions, with pet hair, crumbs, rugs, and all the chaos of everyday life, I found a few things the marketing doesn't really tell you. So, is this premium robot actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's talk about it.
iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus. Product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at here? The Roomba Combo J9 Plus is iRobot's flagship robot vacuum and mop combo, released as part of their premium smart home lineup. It's designed for busy households, especially people with pets, kids, or just zero interest in vacuuming every day. The big selling point here is intelligence. Unlike cheaper robot vacuums that kind of bounce around randomly, the Combo J9 Plus uses advanced mapping and object recognition to clean more strategically. It also has a retractable mop system, meaning it can automatically lift the mop completely on carpets instead of dragging a damp pad over your rugs, which honestly is one of the coolest features here.
iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does this thing actually perform day to day? Honestly, pretty impressively. The vacuuming performance is excellent, especially on hardwood floors and low-pile carpet. Pet hair was barely a challenge, and the dual rubber brushes still make Roombas some of the best robot vacuums for homes with dogs or cats. They don't tangle nearly as much as traditional brush rollers, which saves you from that lovely digging hair out with scissors experience. What surprised me most was the navigation. The Combo J9 Plus moves with confidence. It maps rooms quickly, avoids cords surprisingly well, and doesn't constantly get stuck like cheaper robots do. I intentionally left socks and charging cables around just to test it, and it handled most of them without drama. Now, the mopping? It's solid, but not revolutionary. It's great for maintenance cleaning and light spills, but don't expect it to scrub dried stains like a human with a mop would. Still, for everyday upkeep, it absolutely keeps floors looking cleaner with minimal effort. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features, because this thing is packed with smart tech. First up is the retractable mop system. Instead of just lifting the mop pad slightly like many competitors, the Combo J9 Plus actually raises the mop completely on top of the robot. That means your carpets stay dry, which is a massive deal if you have rugs throughout the house. Then there's Dirt Detective. Yeah, the name sounds a little cheesy, but the feature is actually useful. The robot learns which rooms get dirtiest and prioritizes them automatically. So if your kitchen constantly collects crumbs, it starts focusing more attention there. The Smart Scrub feature is another nice touch. When it detects tougher messes, it mimics a back-and-forth scrubbing motion instead of just gliding over the area once. Again, it's not replacing deep cleaning, but it definitely improves mopping performance. The app is also clean and easy to use. Scheduling cleanings, setting no-go zones, and customizing room-specific routines all feel intuitive instead of frustrating. Design and build. Aesthetically, iRobot kept things sleek and premium. The Roomba Combo J9 Plus has a matte black finish with subtle bronze accents that actually look pretty classy compared to the usual plastic robot vacuum aesthetic. The build quality feels solid overall. Nothing rattles or feels cheap, and the dock has a more refined look than some giant spaceship-looking competitors. That said, the dock is still pretty large, so if you live in a small apartment, you'll want to think about where this thing is going to live. It's not exactly hiding behind a plant. The robot itself is also slightly taller than some competitors, meaning super low furniture clearance can occasionally be an issue. Pros. Excellent vacuuming performance, especially for pet hair. Smart app with genuinely useful automation features. Self-emptying dock makes daily cleaning basically effortless.
Cons. Dock takes up a decent amount of space. Replacement accessories add ongoing cost. Final verdict. So, who is this for, and is it worth the money? Look, if you want one of the smartest, most polished robot vacuum experiences available right now, the Roomba Combo J9 Plus absolutely delivers. It's especially great for busy families, pet owners, or anyone who just wants consistently clean floors without thinking about it every day. The real magic here isn't raw suction power or flashy marketing claims, it's convenience. This thing quietly integrates into your routine and removes one more annoying chore from your life.